How to use the Squarespace Enterprise Organization Dashboard. In order to do that, first, head over to squarespace.com and click on this Get Started right here if you don't have an account, or click on the login option that should be able to appear right there. Since I already have an account, as you can see, I've already logged in. When I hover to that, I can see my account dashboard. So this will serve as my enterprise dashboard if I have an account active as an enterprise. So on some cases, it's not named Squarespace since we've already branded it to our actual enterprise. So what you can do is, for example, your name of your enterprise is tutorial. You can input on the URL accounts.tutorial.com. So that is given if you actually have that particular domain. Just head over to the actual domain by changing in here this X portion, and you should be able to head over to your account dashboard from there. Now on there, you can actually edit some websites as well as manage your organization sites and filter it and tag them however you want. You can edit them, manage them, duplicate, delete, and the likes. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.